Stay tuned to see these 2 wig reviews. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a wig review. Not just one wig, but there will be 2. Both of these wigs are from Amazon, so I will leave all of the information in the description box where you can purchase your own. Stay tuned. First wig is the Nico lace front ombre wig, and here it is here. Let's unbag it. Okay, let's take this netting off and see what we're working with. Okay, this is a cute little body wave. It's sort of a bob. Yeah, I'll say it is a bob sort of look. Has the ombre effect with the dark roots and then the blonde hair at the bottom. A little nervous about this blonde, but let's see if your girl can pull it off. Stay tuned. Okay, so normally when I do my wigs, I will do some flat twists going to the back, but I'm not feeling like doing that right now. So I'm just going to try to pull my hair back into a low ponytail and hope that I can get it as flat as possible. So let's see. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't stick out too much in the back, and we're not even going to worry about this part because we're going to put a wig cap on. So let's do that. All right, time to try her out. Okay, so the wig does come with 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. So let me go ahead and connect the strap. Right. Let's see. I am not the best with lace, so yeah. All right, so first impressions, the wig is really cute. Like, I love the curls, I love the cut. The color is just gonna have to grow on me. I don't know, we're gonna make it work. What you guys think? Definitely have some, a ton of shedding, and I think it's because I cut the lace a little too close in the front. This is also a synthetic wig, so some shedding is expected. This side, a lot longer than this side, so I'm probably going to trim that also. But this cut is adorable. Like, I really love this bob cut. I love the ombre. Whoo, child, I just got to get used to this blonde, but she's cute or whatever. Yeah, so let's go spruce her up a little bit and I'll be back. Okay, so here we are. I did add a little bit of oil to help with some of the flyaways, and I don't know anything about laying lace, so this is what we have. But she's definitely a look. Cute wig under $30. I like it. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And let me know what we should call her. I think she needs a name. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, but wait, we have more. Wig number 2. Stay tuned. Back with wig number 2, and this is from Nayu. This is the Kinky Straight Headband Wig, and this is in 16 inches. Let's open her up. Comes with more wig caps. Ooh, some headbands. And of course the wig. So I have done a Kinky Straight wig video review. I'll link that video in the cards above. That was a 24-inch wig. I'm excited to try this shorter version. Loving, loving, loving this 16-inch headband wig. Feels so natural. Absolutely love it. Nice and full. Can't wait to get into this one. Let's go ahead and put her on. All right, so again, this is a headband wig. So it comes with the adjustable headband, one comb in the back, and one in the front, and 2 on the sides. Just gonna take the strap loose and put it on. Just the comb in the back, pull it up to the front. And then secure the headband in place, and that's it. Quick, simple, easy. Absolutely love this headband wig. And you can leave it just like this. You can add some curls to it if you like. But this is a cute everyday wig. Get up and go. Nice and full. Super cute. You can do a half up, half down. You can pull it over to the side. The looks are endless. Definitely feeling this wig. Super cute. And then we can change it out with our headbands. Let's try this one. Absolutely love it. Super cute, natural headband wig. Hope you guys have enjoyed these 2 wig reviews. Let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you in my next video.